Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt stuck trying to add a nice, clean table to your Mailchimp emails, maybe to display your products, schedules, or compare different options, you're definitely not alone. Today I'm going to show you a quick and super reliable method for inserting a table in Mailchimp, even if you don't have any background in HTML. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to place and customize tables so your emails look tidy and professional. So let's get started. First, let's jump right into our Mailchimp account and open up the design for the campaign or template you want to edit. So head over to your Mailchimp dashboard and select the campaign you'd like to work on. Once you're in the editor, look over to the right-hand side. You'll see the Content tab, which is where all the magic happens. If you're used to just dragging in text or image blocks, don't worry. What we're doing today is just as straightforward. Now from the Content tab, find the block labeled Code. Go ahead and drag the code block and drop it exactly where you want your table to appear in your email. It could be right after some description text, above a call to action, or anywhere that works for your layout. Think of this like carving out a little space for your custom table. This is where we'll put in the special code that creates the table. Next comes the fun part, generating the table itself. You don't need to write any HTML from scratch. Instead, open up a new tab and go to the website HTML table EO. This little gem of a website allows you to build your table visually, sort of like filling out a spreadsheet. Add as many rows and columns as you need. Maybe you're laying out prices, product features, or even a simple schedule. Once your table is set just right, including any column titles or data you want, look for the HTML code generator on the site. When you're happy with how your table looks, simply hit the Generate button and copy the HTML code it provides. It should only take a few moments, and you can tweak things as needed until everything looks spot on. Now let's head back to Mailchimp. Click into that code content block you dropped earlier and paste the HTML code for your table right in there. It's totally fine if this looks a bit intimidating. Mailchimp will handle the code for you, and once you preview your email, the table should appear neatly where you placed it. If you don't see it show up right away or it looks a bit off, don't worry. Sometimes you just need to tweak a couple lines of the HTML, like adjusting the table's width or border. Take a moment to use the preview feature and see how your recipients will view the table in their inbox. If you want to make your table blend in better with the rest of your email design, you can always go back and edit the HTML code. Maybe you want to change the background color of your headers, adjust the font size, or make the borders a bit bolder. If you're not super comfortable with HTML, that's totally okay. There are lots of tutorials and resources that explain the basics, and small tweaks can make a big difference. Think of editing HTML kind of like editing a recipe to taste. It allows you to personalize your email and make sure everything fits just right. And that's really all there is to it. By using the code block in Mailchimp and grabbing ready-made tables from HTML table, EO, you can easily add neat tables to any of your emails, making your communications clearer and more impactful. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any trouble. I'm more than happy to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and practical Mailchimp tutorials. See you in the next video.